Hi, Brad here. Standing out here in the testing fields here again, and we're putting our little 48 mini screener through the paces here this morning. I've designed this unit to work with the subcompact equipment, the little minis. I've got it hooked up to a Toro 1000 here. As you can see, it's got the ball hitch on it, hitch tube. Come around the other side. This is designed for buckets up to 48 inches wide. You'll see the wheels on this machine. You'll see them off in their stored position when we're using it as a screener. We use the exact same mesh as our big screeners, same quality, double lock crimp. We go down to 1/8 of an inch, and we offer all the way up to a 4-inch mesh. So there's a range of about 10 different sizes of mesh you can put on it for screening different products. This unit weighs about 800 pounds. It's a full static screener. It's our entry level. I call it the Weekend Warrior series. Spring-loaded screen deck on it. So we're going to put this thing through the paces here. We're going to do some screening, give you a chance to take a look at it and see how it works. Have this with the wheels down or the wheels up. We're going to try it both ways, see which way we like it better down here for this purpose. Well, that was about an hour's worth of screening. And in that hour, we loaded this trailer here with about 4 yards of material. It's going to go up to the upper yard there for some landscaping. With what's in here and over there, we did about another 4 yards. So again, that's about 8 yards in an hour. We're feeding it with the little Toro 1000. Has the little mini excavator, the little 3,500 pound machine. And you can see this is the trash that we sorted out of this material, and you can look over and see some of that finished product over there. So again, it makes awfully nice soil. And again, that's using the 3/4 by 4 mesh. We offer that down in 1/2 by 4, 3/8 by 4, and 1/4 by 4. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching this little video, and hope it was informational for you.